Okay, so hello everyone. So I'm here today for our one more inbuilt function in Python, that is the map function. Already I have discussed about the lambda function and filter function in my previous videos. Okay, so here we are going to focus only on map function. Okay, so first of all, what is exactly the meaning of map function? This function is used to map a particular function onto a sequence of elements. So after applying, it will give you a new set of elements. There is one list. Okay, and you will do some modification to with that list, and you will get a new list that is using map function. So for example, like if I have a is equal to, and I have some values in the form of list 100, 200, 300 and 400. So only four values. Okay, and then suppose I have one more variable b is equal to, and now I'm going to use my inbuilt function. The name of that inbuilt function is map, and obviously it is same as a filter only, like it also have two things as a parameter. One is a function if it is normal function if you are defining in your program, or else you can write the lambda function here only. So for example, if I write lambda and only one argument, and I'm writing my expression x plus 10, so I'm done with my function part. And then second is the sequence, or you can say that your iterable, like where you have stored your list of elements. So that is in variable a. So here what is going to happen over here is one by one from the a, elements will be given to x, then it will get increment by 10, and then it will stored as a new element in b. And then suppose we want our answer in the form of a list. So we will write z is equal to list function. We will convert this b into list form, and then we will write print and z. See, it is instead of 100, 200, 300 and 400, it is showing 110, 210, 310 and 410. If you want, you can check this also, like what exactly it is printing for a also. Okay. See, this is the initial one, and this is like after the change and after the new thing. So that is all about the map function. And in my last video, that is once I'm done with reduce function, then that time only at the end we'll discuss about the difference between map function, reduce function and filter function. Okay, so thank you everyone.